We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs on your PC, step by step. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see a plus icon labeled blank to start a new document. Click on it to open a fresh document. If you need to work from a template, look below the blank option, where you can find various templates like resumes, letters, and reports. Click on any template to start editing. In your document, you can type as you normally would in any word processor. The toolbar at the top lets you format your text. You can change fonts, adjust sizes, and apply bold, italics, or underline. If you need to add images or tables, simply go to the Insert menu and choose the option you need. For collaboration, click the Share button at the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can set their permissions to view, comment, or edit. Google Docs automatically saves your work, so no need to worry about losing data. If you want to download your document, go to File, then Download, and select your preferred file format, like docx or PDF. To organize your documents, you can click on File and then Move to place it into a specific Google Drive folder. Google Docs also offers handy features like voice typing, which you can access under the Tools menu. This is great if you prefer speaking over typing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.